Hey there, Slingshot owners. Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we're happy to introduce our Lamborghini-inspired start-stop ignition button cover for the Polaris Slingshot. Now, this may look like a simple mod at first glance, but a lot of time and thought went into this design. So since Polaris has been using the same gray outer bezel ring on the start-stop button since day one, we decided to partner up with Thermal R&D to design a custom billet aluminum base plate that perfectly contours the start-stop trim bezel. And as you can see, the base plate is recessed to accommodate for the exact depth of the start-stop bezel, and there are 3 grooves in the aluminum base that perfectly align with the 3 grooves on the start-stop bezel. Now, we've done this so that when you mount your Lambo style switch cover in place, both the depth and the alignment are perfect, making it look like a factory piece that the Slingshot should have always come with. We've also used nylon washers so that the flip switch portion of the cover has a bit of resistance, so that it stays open when you lift it up, and so that it stays closed when you flip it down, giving it that expensive feel and preventing it from rattling. Now, we couldn't mount the billet aluminum base with screws because of the design of the start-stop switch, so we die cut a ring of 3M VHP backing tape that's the exact dimensions of the circumference of the base plate to hold the switch cover firmly in place. Now, installation is going to be very straightforward, but before we install it, let's take a look at what's included in the kit. First, you'll get the Lambo style switch in red, along with the custom billet aluminum base plate that's been powder coated in a black satin finish. You'll also get an extra set of nylon washers just in case you ever need them, and 2 3M VHP tape rings. Even though only 1 tape ring will be used for the installation, an extra tape ring is included just in case you need it. You'll also get an alcohol prep pad, as well as an adhesive primer pad. Now let's get started with the installation on our Shop 2020 R Series Slingshot. Start by taking the alcohol prep pad and cleaning the outer bezel on the back of your switch plate. And then around the border of your ignition button, letting it sit for a minute to dry, before taking the primer wipe and wiping the same surface area on the bezel of your switch plate and around the border of your ignition button. Now peel off one of the adhesive rings and carefully line it over top of the outer bezel ring so that it's centered on the surface area, pressing down firmly to adhere it in place. Then you can peel off the red protective backing tape from the adhesive ring, line up the switch so that it's centered on the ignition button, and then press down firmly to adhere it in place, letting it sit for at least 24 hours so that it has time to cure. So if this custom Lambo style start-stop button cover seems right for you and your Slingshot, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.